Hello viewers, this is Nafli Nazir. In this video I'm going to show how to create channel art for YouTube channel what we created. Before we start this video, please subscribe button and bell button for get notifications when I upload a video in my channel. Let's start the video. Open your Gimp first. Go to File and create new page. The shortcut is Ctrl+N. Width equal to 2048 pixels and height equal to 1152 pixels. First of all, add guidelines for make easier your work. Go to image, go to guides, go to new guide. Position equal to 35% and direction is horizontal. Add another guideline. Position equal to 65%. This sizes appear in desktops, so your channel art should be this desktop size. Now customize your channel art, like this. Okay, fine. Now let me decorate my channel art by paintbrush, like this. Select your paintbrush tool and choose any brush. Okay, finished. Let me export this image. channel art created successfully. Remember, I was created this channel art for an example. You can create your channel much better. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. In next tutorial we'll see how to upload this channel art in YouTube channel.